Welcome back to your Cali Bro J. Today, guys, I finally got the opportunity to scale back the lemon tree, something that had been on the bucket list for about a year and a half, almost 2 years. Join me on this journey as we trim back, cut back, chop back this lemon tree, and I will show you guys not only how it affected my grass, but now I have sunshine to hit one of the raised beds, so now I could work in this raised bed properly without knocking myself over the head. Guys, trimming back this tree has done wonders for me and what I'm about to do next. All right, but if you don't know the motto on the page, each one teach one, Cali Bro J, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Peace. So the lemon tree covered this raised bed, and now I could clearly work in this raised bed. I just moved this star fruit tree over so that it wouldn't get damaged while we were cutting the tree. So now I have full access to this raised bed. And continuing on, look at the fence line. The lemon tree covered the whole fence line over there. Let me step back so you guys can see what it looks like now. And weekly, I'm just gonna put it into the recycler so that we could clear that out. But this is what it looks like. Right. That's all oregano right there. All oregano. Cuban oregano.